Hello everyone. Happy Monday. It is your friend, your leader, CryptoFace here today, and boy, do we have some what I believe to be as good news. Besides what you see on the bottom of your screen right now, giving away $100 to anybody, everybody that signs up with a Bybit account with one of my links under me, deposits 0.2 Bitcoin, boom, $100 is yours to trade with. Also, you can take advantage of the $50 off special for a lifetime membership to the #1 most legitimate, most profitable trade group in crypto. And that's not from my words, that is from many of my members. We're over 600 strong. I've actually only had to ban, now it's actually 5 people. We had to ban John Staples from trying to steal our signals and sell them for $1,400, almost 3 times the cost. Anywho, some exciting stuff going on here today. Let's talk about some market analysis. Let's get a bit of a wider view first, and then we'll move in. Now, for those of you who haven't watched our previous videos, I am expecting more of a downwards channel, similar to this channel right here. And we're starting to see this is actually kind of starting to play out and look the same. Right, it breaks down here. Normally you want it to tighten up and then go up, but it's tightening now. It's dragging. It's starting to droop. It's starting to droop. If you are not using or do not have the custom Chong indicator, which you might not be able to see because of the banner, how can I move this up here? Well, I guess I can just expand it like this somehow. Killer on the 30-minute. Killer. Probably the best indicator that I have on the 30-minute. Let me pull it back up here. No, it only shows up right here. Here, let me delete this stuff. Let me get rid of the macaroon. See if we can expand this. Hopefully we can get a decent look at that. Alright. The Chong, when it hits green, probably a good long. Red, probably a good short. Now, different times, it's good on different timelines. Right now, the 30-minute is what is banging. The 30-minute is banging. Shout out to not only my friends, but yeah, my friends at Bybit. No overloading. This is the real BITUNIX killer. Look at the books. Highest liquidity out there, more than BITUNIX. If you are a whale, it can handle your trades. If you're a guppy and you're tired of getting overloaded and screwed from BITUNIX, this is your huckleberry. BITUNIX is a dingleberry. Simple to use. Take advantage of the special below. You'll be glad you did. Feel free to reach out to their support down here. Absolutely amazing. They also have a Telegram where everyone in the company, from, well, I won't say everyone, but developers to the CEO and founder, are there to communicate. Be nice. Looking at the Bitcoin shorts, let's talk about this for a second. It is getting mighty expensive to short right now on BITUNIX. Doesn't cost me on Bybit, but if you're on BITUNIX, you are losing money every day holding your shorts. And I think there might be some people starting to feel it. So we'll see. I'm expecting maybe there might be a little relief of the shorts, maybe bounce up to 5,200, maybe 53. I will be looking to short as of this current state of the market. We executed as far as the whale crew. If you want to know my entries and whatnot, then you better join the trade group. It's the best thing you can do. Best trade group out there. It is fairly priced. You get it for a lifetime. You learn. We have a good community. Over 600 people. We've only had to ban 5. Happy days. Happy days. So things are starting to cook up. Price action gravity is pointing downwards. For those of you that don't know, price action gravity is when where's the point? Is it pointing up? Is it pointing down? Up until recently, price action gravity has been pointing up. You see pop, 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 going up. Now it's starting to point down, guys. It's starting to point down. Something as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Starting to point down. Boom. We've seen these steps a million times before, and every time it steps down, you go, did I miss out on it? Okay, maybe it'll go up this time. Boom, it steps down again. So I've said it before, I'll say it again. I believe we're going down. Doesn't mean we're gonna go down fast. In fact, we already had a big drop, and so chances are, we'll go down slow and painful. Either way, we're kicking butt with the Ching Chong custom indicator. The indicator's $50. There's a couple dweebs in the comments that think this indicator was custom made from our allies of the Crypto Gnome community. Shout out to Crypto Gnome. They'll vouch for me. There's multiple things that went into this, and so I love it. Right now, it's bread and butter on the 30-minute. If we form that downward channel that I believe we're going to form, there's a couple other indicators we're going to be pulling out of our pocket. The Keltner channels. In fact, let's take a look at what we were doing. I'll show you what we were doing during this breakdown. It's going to take us some time to get there, but this is going to be kind of a bitch. In fact, I give up. Alright. So, let's pull this up here. Now, we weren't using this on the daily, but this is the Keltner channel we were basically using on the 15-minute and the 5-minute, right? And when it hits the tops, short. We do not long the bottoms. Hit the tops, short. We just ping, 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 ping. I mean, we hit 7 or 8 trades. Just bop, 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 bop. This is one of our most, this channel, this was a good few weeks long, was one of our most profitable channels back in January, December. We've had so many, right now, again, we've taken a little break for a couple days. Haven't been going too ham. But once, one of these channels forms and it's right there, we flip on the boosters and we're just knocking them down. We're winning. Others are losing. We have had a lot of green right here. It makes absolute sense. Maybe it dies down a little bit until we see some red. Even if there isn't a big drop right now and things cool down and we just slowly go sideways, chances are there's going to be a bunch of red volume right here and dump. That's what's going to happen. And then guess what? Now we have structure. And then everyone can start, all the moon boys can hoot and holler and say that it's time to start a bull run again. So this is actually kind of what I imagine seeing happen. This is pretty good right here, what we drew right here. And we know what happens when I put a crayon to a piece of paper. For those of you that have been around for Prophecy 1, Prophecy 2, it comes true. So take advantage of the specials and the opportunities in front of you. That's pretty much all I have to say. We've got 5 or 6 days left, so go Bybit. Let's keep kicking butt. Shout out to my whale crew. If you're not in it, you should be. And let's see what happens next, folks.